Hello, friends. Welcome to today's Bollywood news update. I'll give you all the hot and trending news from Bollywood world today. So do subscribe our channel for regular Bollywood news and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif star Tiger 3 to be the most expensive film in the history of Bollywood. Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif star third installment of Tiger franchise is almost the much-awaited films. What if we will tell you that it will be the most expensive film in the history of Bollywood? Yes, you have heard it right. Salman Khan's Tiger Zinda Hai created havoc by earning 339.16 crores in India. This time, the idea is to breach the 400 crore club with the third installment of Tiger. According to a report published by Bollywood Hungama, the cost of production of Tiger 3 is going to be in the range of Rs 200 to 225 crores, which is the biggest for a Hindi film to date. There will also be the usual additional burden of print and publicity of approximately Rs 20 to 25 crores. In all his association with Yash Raj Films, Salman has taken away around Rs 100 crores as acting fees. Depending on the magnitude of profits, and Tiger 3 will be no different. Ranveer Singh crashes Akshay Kumar's Instagram live session with Bear Grylls. Ahead of the premiere of the special episode of Into the Wild featuring Akshay Kumar along with host Bear Grylls, the two participated in an Instagram live session. Akshay was joined by his bell-bottom co-star Huma Qureshi and he spoke about the challenges faced by him on the show. During the episode, Akshay Kumar drank a concoction made of elephant dung, which mainly felt that it might be a challenge. It was not so far for the actor. When asked how he managed to drink it, he said, "Because of Ayurvedic reasons, I had cow's urine every day so that it was okay," he said, which took Bear by surprise. He said, "Not too many of my guests say that." Disha Patani resumes shoot, says finally we are back. The lockdown has now eased a little and slowly people are resuming work life adhering to the new normal. Disha Patani too has finally resumed shoot and shared a still of her getting ready for the shooting. Disha Patani took to her social media certainly and shared, "Finally we are back." The capture shows how The Rock One work has begun, ticking all the boxes of the new normal, and how her team is also smiling while she gets ready for the camera shoot. Kartik Aaryan has a very important question which has netizens in splits. Kartik Aaryan is known for his quirky sense of humor on social media. The actor has the knack of making everyone smile with his posts. His last post had him sitting with a cat looking in one direction with a caption which read, "Waiting for the vaccine." In his latest post, he has an important question to ask. Kartik Aaryan posted a picture of himself wearing a Batman printed tee. While the selfie is hot and droll-worthy, it's his caption that grabs the eyeballs. Kartik has captioned the picture saying, "Jofle यूज दूंगा के लाओ जिसने पहला बद किया." Considering the coronavirus pandemic started with the consumption of bat meat in China, the actor has a valid question. So looks like we have to push aside the trending "Rasood mein kaun tha" and find out who was the first to eat a bat. Katrina Kaif's superhero flick might be delayed. Katrina Kaif has too many big projects in her kitty and she is rearing to hit the road soon. She has Suryavanshi with Akshay Kumar, which was ready for release but had to be stalled due to the lockdown. She has Phone Booth with Ishan Khattar and Siddhant Chaturvedi and the Tiger Zinda Hai 3 with Salman Khan. We hear that Tiger Zinda Hai 3 will be made on a much larger scale than the earlier two films. However, one of the most ambitious films remains that one where she will transform into a superhero. Salman Khan to start shooting for Bigg Boss and Radhe from October. Salman Khan had been in quarantine at his Panvel farmhouse for the last 5 months. He returned to Mumbai in August. The actor is now gearing up to begin shooting for two of his biggest projects, his film Radhe Your Most Wanted Boy and his reality show Bigg Boss Season 14. According to reports in Mumbai Mirror, Salman Khan will start shooting for the first episode of Bigg Boss 14 from October 1 in Film City. This time the makers are shooting the premiere of the show 3 days in advance due to the pandemic. So while the opening night of the show is October 4, Salman Khan will shoot for it on October 1. He has allotted his entire day for the shoot. Decision on Rhea Chakraborty's bail on Monday, says Mumbai court. As you might be aware, Rhea Chakraborty was arrested by the NCB on Tuesday in a drug case linked to Sushant Singh Rajput's death. She was sent in judicial custody till September 22 by a local court. Now a special court in Mumbai said today that the bail application of Rhea and her brother Souvik will be heard on Friday. In her 20-page bail application, Rhea has stated that she is innocent and hasn't committed any crime. The allegations against the present applicant would at the most make out of a case of purchasing small quantities of drugs, which is in essence of a viable offense. This is not a shred of evidence to connect the applicant with the financing any illegal traffic or harboring any offenders. Akshay Kumar says, I used to drink cow's urine every day, so having elephant's poop tea was okay. Akshay Kumar will be seen having elephant poop tea in the upcoming episode of the show Into the Wild with Bear Grylls. In the promo of the episode he shared on Instagram recently, he tested elephant poop tea, navigates crocodile-infested waters and runs into the woods along with Grylls. I knew there would be stiff challenges prior to the wildlife with Bear Grylls, but Bear Grylls completely surprised me with the elephant poop tea. What a day, Akshay had captioned the video. Souvik admits to procuring drugs for the actor with money given by Rhea Chakraborty. Another cat is out of the bag in the ongoing Sushant Singh Rajput case, and it lifts the veil of secrets over both SSR and his girlfriend Rhea Chakraborty. Souvik, who has been arrested along with his sister Rhea and two other accused on drug-related charges levied by the NCB, has confessed to having procured drugs for both the applicants' actors at the behest of her sister. According to a report on Times Now, Souvik Chakraborty told the NCB in his statement under Section 67 of the NDPS Act that he repeatedly purchased drugs for both Sushant and Rhea with payments made by his sister. Vidyut Jamal admits being in a relationship. I really like this girl. Vidyut Jamal is a kind of personality who talks less and let his actions do all the work of creating noise. Over the last few years, the actor has seen a tremendous rise in his popularity among masses, all thanks to impeccable action skills and fitness. While the commando exposes a bit much on the big screen, he is completely opposite in real life. He loves to be private about his personal life, especially his love life. But now, the action star has broken the silence by making a major statement about his relationship. While talking to actor and fighter Michael Jai White on X-Rate, Vidyut Jamal admitted of being in love and seeing someone. How do you find someone who sees you for you, who you actually are? Asked Michael to Vidyut. In reply, the actor said, "You are right." Friends, this is it for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Do not forget to like the video and share the video with your friends. Do subscribe for regular updates and click the bell icon. See you in the next video very soon. Till then, stay safe and be healthy.